peeps. I'm driving down a backwoods country road in South Georgia and going out to a solar site. And it's my first, and I am running IR drone surveys on this solar site, me and 2 other pilots. I was very fortunate to be invited to this party by Ladd Usher. Ladd Usher grew up in the same area I did, and we connected over the years. And anyway, here I am. So thankful to be given this opportunity. It's it ain't rocket science, but it's not easy. So this video is a little taste of what it is to be a drone pilot, a professional drone pilot, and this is about the pinnacle of the industry. So if you get invited to one of these solar jobs, you are one of the luckiest individuals on the face of the planet, because it ain't easy. There's not that many of us, not many people doing it. But once you're in, you're in. And so anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. It's a little bit different, maybe a little boring in some places, but those that are aspiring to be professional commercial drone pilots, well, maybe this is for you. But the real man is Ladd Usher. This man is, I mean, people ask for him. These EMCs go, get Ladd Usher out here, because he's awesome. And he is very knowledgeable. And so hopefully I'll do him proud with his tutelage. And yeah, so enjoy the video. Have a good day.
Right on the edge. Remember, always do it in IR. Come back. Watch it stop. You hear the pause? Okay, so when it does that, I don't know if it captured the picture or not. So here's what I did. All right, I'm going to straighten up. I'm going to start the shutter. I'm going to manually fly all the way back.